Page 68. Masonry. Bricks and blocks. Solid masonry walling comprise a single leaf where the facing work is attracted to the background masonry by a masonry bond. Each course must be at least 2 bricks block in depth, between which there is a continuous cavity-free longitudinal mortar joint of 20 mm thickness. The facing leaf is included in the load-bearing cross-section. Page 63. In double leaf walling without cavity for load considerations, only the thickness of the inner leaf is taken into account for calculating the slenderness ratio and spacing of the bracing components. The thickness of the inner cell plus half the thickness of the outer is used. Even regulations allow it, the cavity can be completely filled. Double leaf cavity walling with insulating cavity fill. Double leaf cavity walling without cavity fill. Mean thickness of inner leaf. The air gap should be 30 mm wide. The leaves are connected by ties. The outer leaf must be spotted over the whole area and attract at least every 12 meters. The air gap is to extend from 100 mm above the ground to the roof without interruption. The outer leaves are to be provided with ventilation openings top and bottom on every 1,500 square millimeters wall area, including openings. Vertical movement joints are to be provided in the outer leaf at least at the corners of the building, and horizontal movement joints should be provided at the foundation level. Reinforced masonry wall techniques. Block brick chain classification. Wall ties wall thickness evidence must be provided of required structural wall thicknesses. That is not necessary when the selected wall thickness is clearly adequate. When selecting the wall thickness, particular attention should be paid to the function of the walls with regard to thermal and shower insulation, fire protection, and damp proofing. When external walls are not built of frost-resistant brick or stone, and outer returning or other weather protection should be provided. Supporting walls are predominantly subjected to compressive stresses. These panel tile structure elements are provided for the acceptances of vertical loads, floor and roof loads, and horizontal loads.